Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by choosing the exact form of the YouTube logo emoji you want and where you'll use it. First, make sure the platform permits custom emoji or stickers. Some apps allow only Unicode. Next, open your emoji keyboard or the service's custom emoji interface and locate similar red play icons to adapt. Once done, decide whether you'll use a single character Unicode substitute, a short image uploaded as a sticker, or simple text like Play YouTube for broadest compatibility. You now produce the actual emoji asset or select a Unicode equivalent. If you design an image, create a clean 128 by 128 PNG or SVG with a centered white play triangle inside a red rounded rectangle using red hash FF0000. Make a retina export at double resolution. If you prefer text, pick a close Unicode glyph like play combined with YouTube and test spacing. Make sure file size is small, under 64 KB when possible, so uploads and rendering remain. Finally, upload and validate your YouTube logo emoji where you intend to use it. Go to the platform's custom emoji or sticker settings, give it a clear shortcode or name, then place it in a message and check in desktop and mobile clients. If colors or transparency look wrong, make sure you export it with sRGB, correct resolution, and transparent background. One key troubleshooting tip: if it still displays poorly, clear the app cache and re-upload a re-exported PNG at correct dimensions to force fresh rendering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.